most recently the excellent study by Bruno Cotres et al. ScPo on the militants in En Marche. But if we look at En Marche, then clearly it's a different sort of movement in a way. It's clearly a movement, at least in its origins, that has strong links with being a startup. It's horizontal, it's flat managed in theory, it's got the language of co-production, it's got the language of innovation, and the language of harnessing new technologies to modernize France. So I think in all of these senses we can see that Emmanuel Macron's leadership fits with a startup frame. I think when we move to the second level of my 3 levels of analysis, I've got 3, that was the individual level. Now I'm moving on to perhaps more of an institutional or a meso level of analysis. Then the evidence becomes a bit more difficult. Macron's elected president, of course, we know that. Institutionally, has he acted as a startup, as a president? Well, I'm not quite sure how a president startup would act, but in a way, Macron's clearly acted, I think, in a fairly, I wouldn't say traditional, but he's clearly taken a particular reading of how a president of the Republic ought to act. And it's a reading that bears some similarities, it seems to me, with the very early years of the French Fifth Republic, creating a new political movement dedicated to promoting his own political agenda. But in many senses, it's been, you know, we could set the image of Macron as a startup there against Macron as being, to some extent, I've just lost my words for the moment, but I'll get them again. Macron as Jupiter, that's what I was looking at. It was hidden away somewhere in my thinking. But clearly, when Macron's elected, he frames his own leadership, in a sense, as being that of Jupiter, the god of gods, giving direction to others. This, in a way, is quite a vertical framing. There's at least a tension, I think, in that framing with a more of a horizontal-based approach we might typically associate with a startup frame. And I think, I mean, in a way, Macron's first year in his presidency, and the book I've got coming out soon is very much on the first year, we can say that in most senses, his political leadership was certainly a success in that first year. But the institutional dimension of this, it's clearly a dimension to some extent of an individual providing leadership, attempting to control government, being the master of time, trying to be sure that the whole enterprise succeeds through a fairly tight form of management and control. I think it's important to say that because there is at least a tension, or some potential tension, I think, between an individual, if you like, and that institutional level of analysis. And then if we move to the related theme of today, a startup nation in Europe, is France back? Or is France back a startup nation in Europe? Then clearly, in that sense, this gets to the heart of much of Macron's appeal and much of Macron's message. Macron, I think, has made a number of very important contributions. It's probably too early to say whether these will be successful or not, but certainly in the level of European integration. I think the Sorbonne speech in particular in September 2017, it renews with a rather perhaps older tradition in French politics, last articulated by François Mitterrand perhaps, of setting out a clear European vision, a European vision that's motivated by certainly a good dose of national self-interest, but also a more general vision that seemed to be in the future interests of Europe. I think in a way that vision, which is very influential by some in Europe, is clearly contested by others, and some of the more details, some of the finer details about separate budget for the Eurozone and so on, clearly one that there have been, there's been some controversy amongst some of the countries on that. I think the other point about Macron is, what is a startup? A startup is a form of branding, and Macron is clearly a form of branded political leadership, particularly global Macron, as I would say. Global, how Macron's portrayed himself globally, almost from the inception. You know, this is not just an individual, it's a form of branding, it's a form of branding a type of leadership. And I think clearly the idea that we speak with everybody, the idea that to some extent France should not only speak with everybody, but there should be a series of bilateral relationships in a way with the big and powerful leaders in the world. I think this is clearly an important part of the message. Is France really back? And I think I'll just finish this really off with a couple of questions really. The question, is France back? And the question, France is a startup nation. There might be some tension between those two propositions, because clearly France might be back while not being a startup nation, or France might be a startup nation while not being back. I think in a way here, what we see with Macron, again, I think we see some rather, in a way, a more traditional portrayal of France, perhaps as la grande nation, perhaps moving back towards a belief that France is a powerful nation, it's an enlightened force for European integration, its role is to provide vision and leadership. These are in a ways constant staples of a certain sort of French political discourse. Perhaps they've been less visible under, well, perhaps under the previous president, they were perhaps articulated in a rather different way, but they might be considered to some extent as being constants, at least in a certain political discourse in the French context. I think there is a sense in which, in European terms, France is, under Macron, is trying to, in a sense, be a startup, and that is the extent to which Macron's trying to break up the old party system, if you like, the EPP and the European Socialist Party. Whether he'll succeed, of course, is another matter, and I think the European elections represent a degree of danger for Macron in a sense, in that European elections tend to be second-order elections that have first-order consequences and not fought on European issues. And in that sense, there's a real danger, I think, in this forthcoming European election for Macron. So I think, in a way, those are just some thoughts. My conclusion, I won't look at all at the PowerPoint, except to try and just come on one slide. This was the PowerPoint I would have given, but, you know, I'll forget it. Yeah. This is my own form of hubris. It's my own book, Governing and Governance in France, 10 years ago. Now, what I tried to do in that particular book, and this I'll just finish up on here, was I tried to interpret, in a way, recent French politics through the idea that there'd been a shift